Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Let's learn together. A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So let us start the topic. Our next topic is what? What does diversity add to our lives? That is very important and interesting topic. What does this diversity means? Different type of people, fruits, vegetables, animals. What are they adding to our lives? Why they are essential? Why they are necessary? Why this diversity is necessary in our life? Let us see. And you might face a question over there in your exam also. What is the need of diversity, and what is the advantage of diversity? And that whatever I am going to discuss with you now, you can write that in your own words. Let us see. Diversity enriches our lives. Enriches यानी हमारे लाइफ को और क्या कराता है, बहुत मजेदार बना देता है. It enriches our lives, है ना. लेट अस सी व्हाट इट डू इन आवर लाइव्स. कैसे हमारे लाइफ को और रिच कैसे बना देता है. हाउ इट एनरिचेस मींस हमारे लाइफ को और रिच बना देता है. कैसे? हाउ इट एड्स कलर and spice to our existence. Like we use color in biryani, you know, biryani. So we use color, we use spices for what? To make it more tasty, so that people will like your biryani. That's why people used to add color in biryani, add color and add many spices, masale है ना, बहुत सारा मसाला यूज किया जाता है. Even they use color, so that make it very tasty, so that everyone will love to enjoy while eating that biryani. So diversity also does the same thing in our life. It add colors and it add spices to our living being, to our existence. How it add colors to our life? Let us see. Imagine, you know, it is asking you to imagine that what life would have been without various kinds of animals. Suppose if there will be only one type of animal throughout the world, like tiger. Everyone, everywhere you will find tiger only. Then that would be quite boring. If you will say, you will complain to the Almighty, what Almighty, what God, you have just made only tiger, no other animals, you know. That would be very boring. So different kinds of animals add a lot of interesting knowledge, gives us knowledge also, and helps us to enjoy them, to see them also. Why we go to zoos? Now we go to zoo to have different types of, to look at, to have a look at the different type of animals in the zoo also. So we love the variations. And diversity is what? Diversity is variation in life. A lot of varieties are available in your life, such as different types of animals is one of them. If there would be only one type of animal, then we would be very boring. It will feel as there were only one type of animal God has made, only tiger has been made by the God. We will have many complaints. But now you can see different types of animal are available, and we can have a enjoy, we can look at them. That is the reason why we go to zoo also. See, we would also be feeling very bored if there will be only one bird or only one type of flower also. So God has made a lot of varieties in this particular world, so that we can enjoy, we can have a look at the different types of bird. We can have the look at the creation of the God. What God can create, what God can do. God has shown this, and this is for all of us. The God has done these things, so that we can have a look at the birds, we can enjoy the fragrance of flowers, and we can have different types of food, as well as wool, or the we can use the leather also, we can use the hide of the animals also, skin of the animals, for making different type of articles or products. So God has given a lot of things in our life. Instead, apart from giving us life, God has given all these varieties also, so that we can enjoy the life. If these type of varieties would not be there, then it would be very boring in our life, है ना? See, we would not have so many delicious dishes, है ना? If there would not be different type of spices, अगर मसाले भी एक ही टाइप का होता, then we would not have different type of dishes also, जो मम्मी बना के देती है आपको, बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया खाना, है ना? Very good dishes, delicious. तो मम्मी कैसे देती है? Because mummy is having a lot of dishes, a lot of spices available with her in her kitchen. So God has given us this different type of varieties of spices, and so that we can have different type of delicious also and dishes also. God has also given us varieties of fruits. See, if only you will be having apple or banana, then you would again complain to the Almighty. Oh God, oh Almighty, you have just made only one type of fruit, only banana, only apple, only mango. So God has given a lot of fruits. This is the diversity. This is the variety that the God has given, and it is adding color. It is adding enjoy to our life. God has given a lot of vegetables also. You might also, someone might be liking, no, I like to eat lady's finger. Someone will say, no, I like to eat potato only. Someone will like to see, no, say that I would like to eat cabbage, cauliflower, this type of vegetables. So God has made variety so that you can select your favorite vegetables from the list. So our life would be very boring if we would have only one type of vegetable, one type of flower, one type of birds, animals, flowers, and then our life would be very boring. So by having this type of varieties in our life, you can say the diversity in this particular world. That's why we are enjoying our life nowadays. Otherwise, it would be very boring. See, we would not have various kind of music and dance form also. Suppose just imagine yourself that if you have only one, if you know only one type of dance, or only you are forced to listen to same music and again to see the same dance again and again, then your life would be very boring. You will say, oh, only this type of music, only this music, only this dance. So we are also adding our colors and spices to our life by having different type of musics as well as dance. So that why we are doing this, so that we can enjoy our life. So that the thing the nature has also done with us. The nature has also provided different types of animals, flowers, birds, and so that we can enjoy the life. We Indians, see about our country, let us see very interesting one. We Indians speak different types of languages. See over here, we speak different type of languages. So this is also a variety. If you go to other state, you will just enjoy their language. Oh, how nice is their language. You will try to learn also. So we are having different type of language. That is the variety, that is the diversity in language. We are also different, using different types of food also, right? We prefer, some used to prefer biryani is their favorite delicious dishes. Someone is having different type of, someone is having pizza, burger as their favorite dish. So this is the variety in the lab in our life, which makes very interesting, which makes our life very very interesting, है ना? कभी भी आप मम्मी अगर दो बार एक ही खाना देती हैं तो you start complaining. Oh mummy, in the lunch also you gave me lady's finger as a vegetable, and in the dinner also you are giving vegetable as a lady's finger. So you start complaining in a single day. So what would be, you will be complaining if you will get the same vegetable throughout your life? And you will get bored. You will all start complaining to the Almighty. And you will blame the Almighty, will blame the God. So God has not done anything wrong by creating this type of varieties in our life. Varieties of animals, varieties of fruits, vegetables, flowers, so that we can enjoy life, so that we can have a good life. We see, we also celebrate different types of festivals, and we also wear different types of dresses also. In terms of dresses, if you're a father and mother, if your parents will ask you to say wear same dress throughout the year, same type of dress, no variety in the dresses, again you will feel bored. If you are asked to celebrate only one festival, because in Holi you do something else, but in Durga Puja you do something else. In different festivals, in Chhat you do different things. So different festivals are also available so that we can enjoy our life. That is why there are so much festivals. है. Even the Muslims are having different types of festivals, Sikhs also, and Christians also. Everyone used to enjoy different type of festival, because it add colors, it makes our life interesting, it makes our life very charming. That is the function of this diversity. That is the function, that is the you can say beauty of diversity over here. This is the beauty in our life. Diversity is very very compulsory and necessary in our life, as it adds diversity, it adds colors, spices, and it adds fragrance to our life. So that is why diversity is very very essential. If there would be owning only one type of thing, then our life would be seen. It is clearly mentioned over here. Our life would be very boring and less enjoyable. You would not be able to enjoy your life like you are enjoying nowadays. If all people followed a single profession, now let us come to the very, very important topic. Suppose every person in this particular earth would be a doctor only, then who would provide us the service of haircut? Who would provide us the service of the farmer? Who would provide us the clothes, medicines? Who will build our houses? No, no. So God has not done that thing. We people are following different type of professions also. Someone is a barber, someone is a trader, someone is a businessman, someone is a farmer, and someone is a constructor who used to construct road, railways, and someone is having different type of, means we all people are having different type of professions. Someone is a computer engineer, someone is a civil engineer, someone is a mechanical engineer. So this is the variety in the life that makes our life interesting. This is also important in our life, that there should be variety so that everything goes in a balanced way, you know? In the absence of barber, suppose that if there would be, all of the people would be farmers only, सारे लोग farmers होते, then who would provide us medicine? Who would look after our health? If everyone would be farmer only. So you can see the God has not done anything wrong. Diversity is very important. Diversity means over here varieties. So varieties are very important in our life so that we can lead our life in an interesting way. And there is a situation you can see over here. In the absence of barbers, who would give us a haircut? अरे सारे लोग अगर फार्मर हो जाते तो हम लोगों को हेयर कट कौन देता? If there would be no barber, if there would be no washerman, तो हम लोगों के कपड़े कौन धोते? If everyone would be only doctors, then who will provide us the food? Who will do the agriculture work? So it is not so, my dear. Variety is very necessary in our life. इसलिए आप देखेंगे मम्मी बिरयानी जब बनाती हैं तो she adds a lot of spices, colors, and many things in the biryani so that that biryani will be very tasty to eat. I am only telling about biryani because biryani is my favorite. You might have different favorite food, but those different food might be using different type of spices and different type of things in that. So God has given us this life, and God has not given this a very boring life. God has given us very interesting life because the God has add all the things in our life by adding different type of vegetables and flowers, dishes, fruits, spices, and even different people are following different type of what professions also. Someone is a doctor, someone is a barber, someone is an engineer, someone is a businessman. So this is the thing, my dear, that we have to accept, and we are enjoying our life because of this only. Hope you understand why diversity is quite necessary in our life, why diversity is important, why varieties are important in our life, because it adds color to our life. It does not make our life boring. Otherwise, our life would be very, 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 very boring. Now, let us move ahead. Are there some organization who is doing something for us regarding this particular thing? Yes, there is an organization. The organization name is UNESCO. The full form, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The name of the organization is itself telling its functions and responsibilities. What is the name of the organization? See, it adds United Nation, means all the nations of the world are united together in this particular organization. There are almost 192 member states in this particular organization. Itne sare members hai, 192 members from different countries are united together in this organization. And let me tell you why they have united together. ये लोग सब एक बनकर एक जगह क्या कर रहे हैं? ये organization क्यों बनाया गया है यूनेस्को? What is the role of this organization? Let us see. तो इसके नाम से ही पता चलता है. The name itself is saying the function of the organization. Name में आप देखें यूनाइटेड नेशन के बाद क्या लगा हुआ है? The next word is educational. Means this organization will help you to get different type of education, है ना? आपको मदद करेंगे ये डॉक्टर्स बनने में, और different type of profession को हासिल करने में. This organization will work for the educational need of the people, educational need of the citizens of the countries. Next, the function is what? Scientific also. It will work in the scientific areas also. It will help the scientists also. And the most important one, that it will also work for the culture, our customs, our habituals, our traditions. हमारे traditions को, हमारे culture को भी ये protect करेगा. It will also help us to learn our culture, to have a better understanding of our culture. This organization head office is in France. Let me give you some more details about this particular organization. Let me show you one document. I hope that you can see this document. UNESCO. Let me unmute you all so that you can respond me. आप लोगों को नजर आ रहा है ये document? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then very
sir.
good.
Can you
Then
understand one more time?
हाँ अभी ये अच्छा क्या आपको कोई क्वेश्चन करना है? If you want any question, if you want to ask, yes. Tell me,
Sir,
tell me.
it is only giving education, sir.
Sir, can you understand what is
Sir,
the
what
meaning
is
of the
diversity?
UNESCO?
First question, what is diversity? The answer in single word, diversity means variety. है ना? अलग अलग टाइप के लोग, अलग अलग टाइप के चीजें, है ना? This is means variety. Diversity means what? Variety in your life. और क्वेश्चन आपका है यूनेस्को.
UNESCO is giving. Hello, sir.
यूनेस्को.
Hello, sir.
Yes. बोलो. Who is saying sir only? What is the question? Come on, tell me. Okay, no more questions. हाँ प्रथम बोलो क्या है प्रथम?
Sir.
Yes. Yes, Pratham, come on. You are wasting our time.
Sir, I can't understand this UNESCO.
अभी हम मैंने यूनेस्को बताया कहाँ पूरा अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. जब बता लूंगा तब.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I am going to meet you all. You can see my students, you can see over here that I have collected one information from the net also, UNESCO, about UNESCO, and I will share you a lot of details about this organization. See, the name of the organization, as I said, is telling you the function. So the organization is working or contributing. You can see over here, it is contributing in different fields. Let me show you what are those fields. It is working for building peace throughout the country, throughout the world. Means it is working to develop peace, to build peace around all, so that we can all get peace, so that different countries do not fight with each other. And whenever two of the countries started talking very badly, or you can say, if they are on the door of fighting, then this particular organization interferes and try to stop the fighting between the two countries. This organization is working to maintain peace throughout the world. This organization is also working to eradicate poverty from our country, not only from our country, from throughout the world also. It is working so that the people, so that the poverty or the poorness of the people get off, and so that everyone become rich, no one stays poor in the world. This organization is working to remove poverty from the world, ताकि सारे लोग जो हैं गरीब नहीं रहे, कोई लोग गरीब नहीं रहे. इसका एक और भी काम है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का. It is working to remove poverty from the world. It is also working towards the development as well as intercultural dialogue through education. It is working also so that the world get developed, we get new type of education, we can share our culture, traditions, our customs also throughout the world. And you can see we are learning a lot of the things which are not in our country but in different countries. We know about the culture of America, we know about the culture of Australia, Bhutan, Nepal, and different countries. With the help of this organization, we also get a lot of knowledge, information through education. So that is why I'm saying over here that education is the most vital thing in your life, most important thing. And without education, you cannot gain a lot of information. You would not be gaining, you would not be knowing information, because most of the information are in written form, है ना. बहुत सारी चीज जो है information है वो लिखे हुए हैं. And then that is the reason you should be educated. आपको पढ़ना लिखना चाहिए, so that you can be educated. And this organization, UNESCO is working to spread education among the people. It is working to share our culture with the throughout the world. It is also working so that the culture of different countries which are in the world, we can know about those culture also. So it is protecting the culture, it is protecting the tradition. हमारे पूर्वजों का जो बनाया हुआ culture है ना, the culture, India is having different type of culture, but you can see Western culture are getting mixed in Indian culture. But still we have to preserve our culture. अभी भी हमारे कंट्री में, इंडिया में बड़ों का पैर छुआ जाता है ना. We used to touch the feet of the elder people and we used to get the blessings from the people. That is our culture. But in Western countries there is no such culture. They also respect their elders, but in different ways. So we get to know how the people of other countries are using different type of culture. So according to our terms, in our way, we will have to protect all culture. We should not leave up, we should not give up our culture. We should always carry on with those culture. ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि आप अपने बड़ों का कितना आदर करते हैं, है ना, उनका इज्जत करते हैं, उनके पैर छूते हैं, उनका आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. This is the culture that these culture are getting shared in different countries of the world also. लोग, दुनिया के लोग भी देखते हैं कि इंडिया का कल्चर क्या है. So we should not adopt other culture. We should protect our culture also. Yes, you can use the culture according to the situation of, you can use the different culture, but certainly and surely you should not lose your culture. You should not forget your culture. That is Indian culture. This organization is also working in the field of science, in the field of culture. See, culture is mentioned over there. Working, this organization is working in the field of science also. Mean new discoveries are also being made. So this organization is helping those scientists also who are discovering new things. This organization is working to get the vaccination of what? Of our new disease, new virus, that is coronavirus. So this organization is working a lot to get the vaccination of coronavirus. So this organization is working for our health also, my dear friends. It is also working for the culture, for the communication, for the better communication. And the best example is our class. We are using this communication means of this is also a means of communication, that you are learning at your home and using internet. This is the best means of communication that we are having nowadays. You are at your home and you are having just a simple mobile phone, Android phone at your palm, and you are learning a lot of things. You're getting a lot of knowledge. So this is also the one of the field of working of this particular organization to improve the communication system throughout the world. This organization is also working to share the information of different type of information with all the people of the world. So these are the functions of this organization. It works everywhere. You can see it works in the field of science, it works in the field of culture, communication, information, and it is also important, very important, it is working to maintain peace in the world, and it is also working to maintain peace of the world, peace in the world, and it also working to eradicate poverty from this particular world, है ना. यहाँ से पूरे दुनिया से गरीबी को हटाने के लिए भी ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम करता है. It helps the poor people, it give loans to the different countries bank, है ना. बहुत सारे countries को ये loans भी देते हैं, organize करते हैं. They are ready to help the people who are in below poverty or who are in the level of poverty. जो लोग गरीब हैं, ये organization उनका help करना चाहता है, गरीबी को हटाना चाहता है. That is the function of this particular organization. And headquarter, ये organization headquarter कहाँ है? Paris में, that is in France. And Audrey Azoulay is the head of this organization. And it was founded in 16th November 1945 in London, United Kingdom. But it starts working, it formed in from 1946. That is 73 years ago, my friends, 73 years ago. And our India is one of the founder member of this organization. India, United States, यानी ये जो states का नाम आपको नजर आ रहा है, they are the, ये सब countries के जो नाम नजर आ रहे हैं, they are the founder members of this particular organization. And I am proud that our country India is also one of the founder member of this organization. So our country is also working to maintain peace to eradicate poverty from the world, to work in the field of agriculture, to work in the field of science, culture, communication, and information. So we should be proud to be our India, that we are Indian, and our India is the founder member of this particular organization, which is working throughout the world to do this noble work. That is all for today, and we will discuss more in our next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.